Sometimes, you know,
Co-host, mute everyone apart from Shakira. So yeah, we have January, February, April.
Shakira, please unmute.
We are not receiving audio from Shakira.
Oh,
thank you.
Okay, yeah. So we have January, February, April, July, November, April. They want the next. Yeah. So first write down the months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So where is the secret here? Do you know the months? Do you know their order? So when you look at this, January, February, March, January, February, April, July, November, April, you realize that this is 1 year and they go to another year. Then let's see the positions of each month. January is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we have our our series: April, July, November, April. So here January is 1, February is the 2nd month, April the 4th month, July the 7th month, November 11th. Now realize April you cannot put here 4. Reason that someone can even put here 4. But remember, after a year, you go into another year. So you come and count. From 12, yeah, you go back to the other year. January will be 13. This will be 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So, sorry, 13, so it's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah. So if this is so you go to the next year of April will be 16. Yeah. What is next? So you come and now these are the number series. How are they related? Yeah. How are they related? From 1 to 2 is plus 1. From 2 to 4, it's plus 2. 4 to 7 is plus 3. 7 to 11 is plus, it's plus 4. 11 to 16 is plus 5. That means here will be plus 6. Now, this kind of series, that I can call them the first tile, the second tile. You might find that another series, if you don't get any relationship, you may need to do another series down to answer the previous series and the original series. So 16 plus 6, that is 22. 20 is on the answer. You come back to the second year. Where is 22? Realize 22 is? You remember we first counted up to 12. You came back to January 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, which is October. Will be taken.
To be taken, the Baba.
Will be taken.
Yep. Yes, Putin.
Okay.
Yes.
So you guys, this number is all about series, but hidden meaning aptitude tests if you know some facts, the months, their order. Then you have the first series. Then you go to the next series. You might find some numbers where you got even to the third series. You're answering one series. Now let's go to this. Let's pay attention to the next question. There was problem. At what problem? I'm going to share a screen. There are two word problems that I'm going to share on the screen such that you read and record. No, sorry, before the word problem, let's calculate this number of distance and time before the word problem. So this is the third last. Stations P and Q are situated 200 meters apart, 200 kilometers apart. Two trains start from stations P and Q simultaneously. Stations P and Q are situated 200 kilometers apart. Two trains start from P and Q simultaneously. What's the meaning of simultaneously? Same time. Then the train starting from P goes towards Q at 100 kilometers per hour. So that means they are moving towards each other. Then the train starting from station Q goes towards P at 1 hour. Then the question is, at what distance from P will the two trains cross each other? Hope everyone has gotten an idea of how to tackle that question. So when you're doing the aptitude, try to do pictorial work. You put into picture, you will summarize all the words into pictures. That's great. So here is the road. We have two stations, station P, station Q, and they have said they are 200 meters apart. 200 kilometers apart. Here's a train at P, here's a train at Q. All these, they are coming towards each other. So, and they have said the train starting from P goes towards Q, 1 kilometers per hour. Starting from P, it is 100 kilometers per hour. While the one moving from Q towards the P is 150 kilometers per hour. And now they're asking, at what distance will they meet? So that means we have distance, speed, and time. Now, if I may ask, what is the common thing about the two trains? Time. They have said simultaneous is the key
So
word.
the distance, Abdul,
Yes,
put in
I'm getting
here.
you.
The distance is the same because all other things, between P and Q, that is the same distance. Each train will have to travel that same distance. So the distance is the same.
Sorry, thanks for that contribution, but you are wrong. The issue here is that the time they will meet at the same time. Look at the question. The question says, at what distance from station P and will the two trains cross each other? So that means by the time they cross each other, they will be at different speeds. They will have covered different distances, but they have moved the same time. Why? The key word is simultaneous. they started from each station at the same time. That means they are coming to meet at the same this time. So that means, okay, we have train P and Q. The speed of train from train P is 100 kilometers per hour. This one is, the speed is 150 kilometers per hour. The distance is not known. No. Distance here is not known. Time is not known. Time is not known, but now here we can say, let the distance, you can choose, let the distance from, so the question is asking, at what distance from P? So let the distance from P be x. So if the distance if they have met here, if the distance from P here is x, that means the distance from P from Q to the point where they meet will be 200 minus x. Yeah, the whole distance is 200. If they meet at a certain point, if the train from P has covered x distance, that means the train from Q would have covered the balance of the whole distance. That will be 200 minus x. So here will be the distance, if here it is x, here it will be 200 minus x. But recall, they have said they will meet at the same time. They're asking the time. So that means time here will be the same time here. We have covered. So that means what is time? Distance over speed. We go to distance over speed. So this will be, the distance will be x over 100. Here will be 200 minus x over 150. Let's multiply. So it will be x into 200 minus x. No, 100. So it's 100. 100 into 200 minus x will equal to 150x. Yeah. So it will be, this is 100 times 200, that is 20,000, right? 1, 2, 3. 20,000 minus 100x is equal to 150x. Take this on that side, it will be 20,000 plus 100, x. 20,000, that will be 250 divided by 250. So what is 200 calculator? 20,000 divided by 250. That is 80. Yeah. So this means the distance from P, which is x, is 80. Then distance from Q will be 200 minus x, 200 minus 80, which will be 120. So these are your answers. So the answer is 80 kilometers. And then 120 kilometers. So members, have you gotten that? We go to the next number.
Yes, we can proceed.
Which take a day. So now let's go to the last two numbers, the word problems. Now I'm going to share the screen. And then anyone mu group or mu group, yeah, and take a group, then I'll try way.
Lota
Manji
osobola kuddamu awo ng'omaze ofuna valia x westatekedde okweyongera wansi.
Valia x, I got to put a valia x nga 80.
I mean after getting x awo kweyongerayo.
after getting x, remember walituagambye let the distance from P be x. Distance from P be x, that means that you 8 ya P. First wait, I want to share. So guys, I'm sharing the questions that we're going to use in the WhatsApp groups such that you
share the video, please.
Pardon? I'm going to share the question. I'm going to share the screen, then
We cannot see the video.
so now
Perfect.
now the hosts, can you go to the WhatsApp group? Yeah. The co-host. Okay. Let me do this.
I can hear you, Abdul.
Can you reach the WhatsApp group and share those numbers I've sent to the WhatsApp group?
Let me see.
The two numbers.
Let me see if I can do that. I see the two numbers.
Yeah. Start with the last number.
The last one. Let me see if I can do that for us. I hope we are able to see that. Abdul.
Yeah. So members, that's the question. Yeah. If you can't access it, go to the WhatsApp group for Aptitude. Look at that question. Such questions are logical reasoning. When you look at this, are you seeing the numbers? They want 31, 30, so they're around 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 numbers, yeah? So since these are logical questions, you might find that each answer you have each answer you have may be like 2, or they may, from this same logical question or logical reasoning, you may be required to answer like around 10 questions. Yeah. So it's better you start with the first questions we have done, which are simpler. They are hard, but they are simpler, because even if you fail them, you might lose like 2 marks or 3 marks. But this one, if you fail, you may lose around 15. Yes. You have to attempt them. So it's like this. Why I'm saying so? Remember, you should create more time for these answers. Remember, you are going to do a paper whereby they say it is out of 40. Remember, each mark you lose out of 40 times 100 might be around how many marks? So that means you should be keen on such numbers. So I'm going to get this number. Some people are requesting for the link of the group. Let me share the link of the group so that they join on WhatsApp. That's the question. What you do, just copy that question anywhere. What you do, take a screenshot of your screen, yeah? And when I'm explaining, you go back to that screenshot. Those who are in the WhatsApp group, you can be going back to the group and look at the question. So let me interpret it here. I'm going to write here as I interpret this question. So look at your screen. They say John, the first statement. So you have to break down each statement. John, Rich and Ted, they were a pair of shoes, they wear a jacket, they wear a jacket, they wear a jacket, they wear a shirt. What does this statement means? John, Rick, and Ted, all of them have to wear a shoe, jacket, and shirt. That means everyone has to wear that. Then the next statement, statement 2 says, the 3 shirts the 3 boys wear are of different sizes. So all shirts for boys are of different sizes. So you come back and note, just break down into statements of different sizes. So the next statement says different sizes, and the name of the sizes, we have small, medium, large. Then the next statement says, so are the jackets and the pairs of shoes. So that means it is the same for the shoes, the same for, so the next statement says the jackets. Yeah. Then the next statement, so are the jackets, so are the shoes. So that means all the shoes, all the jackets, all the shirts that those 3 boys wear of different sizes. And they have named the sizes. We have small, medium, large. And then they say each boy's shoes, jacket, and shirt of different sizes. Each boy's shoes.
Position your camera.
Each boy's shoes, shirt, sorry, it's cut shirt. Each boy's shoes, shirts, and jacket are of different.
Position your camera.
Position my camera. No, I've shared the screen. We are looking at the screen. Then later I'm going to show you. If he stops sharing, I'll show you what I've written here down. Yeah, I will explain. Of different sizes. Then the next statement says the jacket belonging to Ted is not medium. So Teddy's jacket, not medium. Then the next statement says Ricky's shoes and Johnny's jacket are of the same size. Ricky's shoe and Johnny's shoes, Johnny's jacket are same size. Then they say, the 6th statement says, Teddy's shoes are large. So, admin, you can stop sharing the screen. You can stop sharing the screen, then we go, yeah. So here are my statements, yeah. This is how I've summarized the statements, yeah. I've broken down the whole word problem into statements. John, Rick, and Ted have shoes, jacket, and shirt. That means each one of them should have a shoe, a jacket, and shirt. And they say all the shirts, the shoes and jacket of the boys are of different sizes. Which sizes? Small, medium, large. Each boy's shoes, skirt, shirt, jacket are of different sizes. So that means a boy cannot have a large jacket and have a large shoe. And they say Teddy's jacket is not medium. Yeah. So these short and direct statements are good. They give us a direction. And they say Ricky's shoes and Johnny's jacket are of the same size. And they say Teddy's shoes are large. So you begin from the last statement that is direct. So you come and draw your table. And first of all, if you don't know how to approach these word problems, you're going to fail. Always draw a table and put all the information, summarize the information into a table. So here I'm having the boys are John, Rick, and Ted. Here we have shoes, jacket, shirt. So when you look at this, all of you have been seeing the puzzles in the puzzles in the newspapers. So here you have to apply that. If you have done puzzles, here is the time. So you start from the last statement, which is clear. Teddy's shoes are large. So you look for Ted and shoes are large. So you bold this because it's the final answer. Teddy's shoes are large. And they say Ricky's shoe and John's jacket are the same, the size. So remember, we have Ted. Here we have on this statement, we don't have Ted, we have Rick and John. That means we cannot use it right now. Remember, we are using the known to find the unknown. This is the science behind this. So when you go to this statement, says Teddy's jacket is not medium. So you come for Ted, you have Ted, here's the jacket. Teddy's jacket is not medium. What does that mean? If it's not medium, it's either small or large. But you realize that they have said Teddy's jacket is not, so that means it is, if it is small or large. But remember here, the first statement says each boy's shoes, shirt, jacket have different sizes. So if here is large, here can't be large. So it has to be small. And recall, they have said each Ted should be having a large, small, and medium. So he has a medium. So the first row is done. The next, you come back. Teddy's shoes are large. You have gotten that. Ricky's shoes.
Abdul, I beg your pardon on how you got small, like on the jacket.
On the jacket. When you come to this statement, it says Teddy's jacket is not medium. Teddy's jacket is not medium. When you come here, here's Ted, here's jacket. Teddy's jacket is not medium. That means it's either small or large. Yeah, so here you can either put small or large. But remember here, they said each boy's shirt, jacket are of different sizes. So we cannot put here large. That means we shall put small. And remember, Ted, for the shoes, jacket, and shirt, they should be of different sizes. If here is small, that means here will be medium. Have you gotten the point?
Thank you, yes.
Okay. Now you go to the next statement, which says Ricky's shoes and Johnny's jacket are of the same size. Yeah. Ricky's shoes and Johnny's jacket of the same size. Now remember here, it will be either, if here is already large, if they are of the same size. So here can be small or medium. But remember, they have said Ricky's shoes and Johnny's jacket of the same size. So here can either be small or medium. They say jacket. Sorry. They have said Ricky's shoes are here, and Johnny's jacket. So here will be small or medium. Remember, we have gotten this from this statement. Yeah. Now, when you look at this, small or medium, we already have small here. So that means here we can start with only medium. Can be only with medium. Oh. So if you have medium, they say.
Excuse me.
Okay. Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes. Ask.
Why have you said they will be small or medium? I have no statement.
Okay. When you look at this statement,
why did you say small or medium?
Why I'm saying small or medium? When you look at this statement, it says Richie's shoes and Johnny's jacket are of the same size. When you come to Ricky's shoes, here's the tile. Yeah. But when you look at on the sides, here down, we don't have any letter. Here we don't have any letter, but here we have a letter, which is large. Yeah. So if they say though, then that means here, it has to be either small or medium. You get the point? Why? The shoes have to be of different sizes. If already you have large here, that means here we shall have small or medium. Can either have here small or medium. And here,
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Then they have said Ricky's shoes have the same size as Johnny's jacket. So you come to Johnny's jacket, it has to be also small or medium. So when you look at this style, yeah, this row, with you can already it has small, but here I've said small or medium. That means you are left with medium. Yeah. So on this statement, they said Ricky's shoes and Johnny's jacket are the same. So if here is medium, here will be medium. Yeah. So if here is medium, here that will be small. If here is small, that will be large. If here is small, medium, here will be. Then small, large, medium here will be. So that is the puzzle. Have you understood the puzzle?
No.
Yes, yes, thank you.
There is a no. The no, what's the issue? Someone said no. What's the issue?
The issue is from the jacket, where instead we have small. So we had an option of either large or medium.
No, small or medium.
Yes. So how did we end up with John's medium? That's where I got confused from.
Now, when you look at John's medium, they have said here, remember we had, if I cover this, we already had this small here. And here we have small or medium, yeah? Are you seeing this?
Yes.
We had, and remember, here's a statement that says, all the shirts, shoes, and jackets have your different sizes. So if you have here small, you have jackets here, already Ted has a small. Here, we shall here on Johnny's jackets, either small or medium.
Yes.
So you cannot put as small because it's a repetition that this one has.
Oh.
So that means you remain with medium.
Medium.
And
thank you.
Johnny's jacket. So can we go to the next? This is the last number. Go to the last number.
Yes, thank you.
That's not the no.
Abdul.
Wanji? You can ask. Someone has a question.
On Teddy's jacket, there is small.
There's jacket. There is small and there's medium.
Yeah, but remember, in the statement they said that it is not medium. Teddy's is not medium. So we had small or large. How do we end up with the small? Why not large?
Teddy's is not medium. Teddy's jacket is medium.
Abdul,
not medium.
Abdul.
Yes?
Maybe to respond to her, if she goes back to the question, they said none of these three can have the same size of the three things that they put on. So if you already have large and medium somewhere, so automatically the other one becomes small. For Teddy.
Yes, Busu, wait, I know because, but remember, we got Teddy's small first before filling in the medium and the large. So my question is, in the statement they said Teddy's jacket is not medium. So meaning we had two options. It's either small or large. And Abdul filled in the table. So my question is, how did we end up with the small?
Okay, the very last statement is saying that Teddy's shoe is large. Okay?
Yes.
So that one is okay. So now if it is large and then you come to another statement that says that Teddy's jacket is not medium. So it would either be large or small, but you already know that her shoe is large, so it cannot be what? Large. So the other option is that it has to be what? It has to be small. Because it is not medium.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know whether you get it.
Yes, I have. Thank you.
If you already have one of her items as large, and they are telling you
Yes.
that the other one cannot be medium, so there are two options. That one, it is either large, which already you have as one of the items, so the remaining option is small.
Oh,
yeah, I shall proceed.
thank you. Yeah, we can proceed. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Don't share the link. Someone should share the link to those members, the link of the group, but the group is already full. Sorry, the group is full. So now, co-admin, can you share the last number of the teachers and subjects and days? Admin, share your screen. Those in the WhatsApp group, go to the word problem of teachers. Sharing screen. Bino bina bya table. Kati bajja kuleetera. No, like picture. What problem? It's all about picture. So you guys, are you seeing that question? On the WhatsApp group, there are two questions, but the first question of the professors, the days to teach. Then so this is the last question. There are 7 professors. Now this one is going to... Hello? Who's this one? So let's continue. There are 7 professors. The professors are P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V. They are teaching subjects. 7 subjects. We have history, geography, physics, chemistry, math, biology, and English. And